Hey guys, how's everything going? We are here. It's week 5. One of my favorite weeks, one of the toughest weeks. One week I like to call Total Body Week. If you looked at the schedule, you know what we got at hand. Day 1, Total Body. Day 2, they take it a little bit easy on you and let you take care of the abs in your ab focus. Day 3, back to Total Body. Day 4, you go back to cardio. Day 5, which is probably going to be the toughest day in alpha, it's a combination of lower focus and everybody's favorite total body. So they'll save the two toughest workouts in alpha for this double day. But as you work through it, just think about this. You've done every workout. We've been in it for over 29 days now. So everything should be pretty much habitual. You've been working on a regular basis. You've been eating right on a regular basis. So don't sell yourself short and think that you aren't ready for this day, because you should be. If you've done everything like you should with your eating and your workouts, which it sounds like the majority of you have, you should be ready. You want to make the best of this week? This is the last week of alpha. After that, we're moving on to beta. So make sure you nail every exercise you can. Make the well, make the best of it. Just to sum it all up. So good luck to everybody this week. I've got my day 1 in. It was tough, but I made it through. But I'm looking forward to knocking out those last 2 total bodies.